Hello, my name is Ivars, and today we are going to create our first HTML file. Before we get started, let's take a moment to understand how a website works. When a user enters a URL, they expect to see a website. This request is sent to the DNS server, which translates the URL into an IP address, allowing us to find the website. Once the IP address is located, the main server can display the website to the user. Now, let's create an HTML file. Open Visual Studio Code, go to File, and select New File. In the search bar, type HTML to find the HTML option. In this file, we will indicate that it is an HTML document by adding the doctype line and domain tags, the opening and closing HTML tags. You might have noticed that the closing tag is created by adding a slash before the tag name. At this point, if we run the file, we won't see anything because we haven't added any content yet. So, let's create a heading. After adding the heading, save the file and open it in your browser. To make our workflow easier in the future, find and install the Bootstrap extension. Thank you for watching.